Welcome everyone. Today we will learn about some properties of delta and E operator and how to use them in solving numericals. So in our last class, delta and E operator formulas and here the relationship established korisilo, right? So if I have to recall, the delta or difference operator is nothing but f of x plus h minus f of x. Delta fx will be f of x plus h minus f of fx. Similarly, the shift operator E fx is nothing but f of x plus h, right? So these two formula we have already established. I already studied last class, and then we established that delta is equal to E minus 1. A formula to we establish korisilo. So aji ami delta aru E operator kisman properties ase, he properties bur ki hetu discuss kori, and then a properties bur use kori kisman algebraic sums ase, kisman numerical sums ase, he bur keneka solve kore, he bur study kori. So the properties of delta and E operator are: number 1, delta of f of x plus g of x plus so on will be equal to delta f of x plus delta g of x plus so on, right? So in simple, the delta within bracket a sum of functions ase, tetia hole ami delta to with every individual functions assign kori a sum to likhibo par, right? That means delta can be assigned to each and every element in a sum, right? So a same concept ami E khetra to use koribo paru, that is E of f of x plus g of x and so on can be written as E of f of x plus E of g of x and so on, right? So we general delta to atai gitar logot assign koribo paru, thik tenore ami E to ko atai gitar logot assign kori dibo pai, right? That is first property of delta and E operator. The next property is delta within bracket c f of x jodi ase, where c is a constant, jikono dhoroner constant thakibo, then it is the c delta f of x. There is c2, it should be independent of x, that x thakibo noare. So that independent of x term to constant hisabe assume kori, and constant to hoda delta bahirot loi jabo pari. For example, jodi moi likho, for example, delta 2 times of fx likha ase, then আমি বাহিৰত লিখিব পাৰো যে 2 times of delta fx, right? So এই constant টাৰ্মটো বাহিৰলৈ আমি লৈ আহিব পাৰো. And the same thing can also be done in case of E. So আমি E ক্ষেত্ৰটো লিখিব পাৰো যে E within bracket c f of x যদি আছিলে, then it is also equal to E f of x আৰু c টো আমি বাহিৰত লিখিম, right? So that's the second property. And the next property is related to the power of delta, right? And E. So third property whole, the delta to the power m, delta to the power n f of x ase, that can be written as delta to the power m plus plus n f of x, right? So ইয়াৰ অৰ্থটো কি হ'ল? What's the meaning of this is delta square কৰিছো and delta cube কৰিছো of fx suppose, then this is similar to delta to the power 5 fx. ইয়াৰ index বোৰ আমি add কৰি গৈ থাকিব পাৰো. The same concept we can also extend or we can apply in terms of e also. The e ক্ষেত্ৰটো আমি সেই একেটা concept use কৰিব পাৰো যে e to the power m e to the power n f of x is equal to e to the power m plus n f of x. ঠিক আছে? So আমি এই পাৱাৰ কেইটা এড কৰি দিব পাৰো. ঠিক তেনেদৰে আমি মাইনাসও কৰিব পাৰো. নাও ডেল্টাৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত নোৱাৰি, বাট ইৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত e to the power m e to the power minus n ও কৰিব পাৰি. e to the power minus n fx তেতিয়া কি হৈ যাব? e to the power m minus n fx হৈ যাব. ওকে, so that is e ক্ষেত্ৰত my negative power ও possible হয়, and e ক্ষেত্ৰত যদি e minus 1 fx লিখা যায়, that's meaning is f of x minus h, right? আমি ৰিভাৰ্সত আহি আছো, বেকৱাৰ্ডত আহিলে এইটো মাইনাস হৈ যাব. Right? So we তিনিটা property পালো. First property is distributive. That means আমি delta by e operator to distribute কৰিব পাৰো throughout a series of sum. Next one is constant to বাহিৰত গুছি আহে, and third one is সিহঁতৰ index কেটা add up হৈ যায়. So মই যদি summarize কৰিব লাগে, আমি প্ৰথম পালো delta to the delta f of x plus g of x and so on is equal to delta fx plus delta gx and so on. Number 2 is your delta c fx is c delta fx, to do number, and 3 number is delta to the power m delta to the power n fx is delta to the power m plus n fx. ঠিক আছে? So এইটা হল আমি এটা property পালো of your delta e and so another thing that is related to these two operators, যে ইহঁতৰ লগত আৰু কেইটামান properties আছে বা rules আছে যিকেইটা আমি মনত ৰাখিব লাগিব. That is say number 4 বুলি কৈছো মই, that 4 is delta of a constant is always a 0, right? Delta যদি constant or delta যদি আমি উলাব যাও তেতিয়া হলে 0 হ'ব. আৰু ঠিক তেনেদৰে তোমাৰ constant যদি মই shift operator উলাব যাও, that is e of c, তেতিয়া হলে হি নিজে হ'ব. So নিজে হোৱা ডেল্টা ডিফাৰেন্স একে হোৱা কাৰণটো হ'ল 0 হোৱা কাৰণটো হ'ল না ডেল্টাৰ ফৰ্মুলাটো কি আছিল? ডেল্টা fx is f of x plus h minus f of x. যে তাৰ নেক্সট টাৰ্মটো কি হ'ব? তাৰ নেক্সট টাৰ্মটোৰ পৰা বৰ্তমানৰ টাৰ্মটো দ্যাট কারেন্ট টাৰ্মটো আমি মাইনাস কৰিব লাগে. So in case of constant, the next term to he same থাকিব, এই টার্মটো একেই থাকিব, constant কেতিয়াও চেঞ্জ নহয়, right? That's why they are called constant. So constant of ক্ষেত্ৰত delta c will be the next term to c থাকিব, এই term to he c এ থাকিব, right? That's why c minus c equal to 0, because it is independent of that function value x argument. এই argumentৰ পৰা independent কাৰণে হি 0 এ হৈ থাকিব. Similarly, তুমি e ক্ষেত্ৰত যদি ক্যালকুলেট কৰিব লগা হয় for e of c, now e of c কি আছিল যে e of fx was f of x plus h, right? তাৰ next term to কি আছিল? এটা কনস্ট্যান্টৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত কি হ'ব যে কনস্ট্যান্ট কেতিয়াও চেঞ্জ নহয়, তো তাৰ next term to হি c এ হৈ লাগিব. No matter x যিমানে চেঞ্জ নহওক কিয় কনস্ট্যান্ট এটা হি সদায় কনস্ট্যান্টে হৈ থাকিব, একে ফিক্স ভ্যালু হৈ থাকিব. That's why constant to change নহয় কাৰণে তাৰ next term to same থাকিব, and that's why the shift operator is also the same. And another property number ইহতৰ মাজত যে delta and e can be interchanged. যে delta e যদি আছে sequence to, then e delta আমি লিখিব পাৰো and the value will come the same. Okay, so fx ৰ ওপৰত প্ৰথমতে e কৰি তাৰপিছত delta কৰা আৰু প্ৰথমতে e delta কৰি পিছত e কৰা এটাই ভ্যালু পাবা. So let's try to prove this thing. এই যে প্ৰপাৰ্টিটো পালো delta e আৰু e delta সেইটো prove কৰিবলৈ try কৰিম আমি এটা. Let's first write delta e f of x within bracket e f of x, which is equal to delta e of f of x mane f of x plus h, right? From formula the delta of this term mane ইয়াৰ লগত h add hobo minus সেই same term to আমি minus কৰিব লাগিব, right? So that means f of x plus h minus f of x plus h. ঠিক আছে? And this is equal to f of x plus twice h minus f of x plus h. So এইটো পালো আমি left hand side, right? This is our left hand side. এটা যদি আমি right hand side or value to evaluate কৰিব লাগে, which is e delta f of x, e delta f of x is equal to e to bahirot loy bhitorot delta f of x loy, right? Then e delta f of x means f of x plus h minus f of x, right? So etia ami property number 1 mote di e to atai ketar uporot assign koribo paru. So we can write e f of x plus h minus e f of x, right? So this is equal to eta e ulabo loga hale e mane ki tar next term h eta add hoy goi thake je e power jodi 1 hoy eta h add hobo. So that means yar logot ki add hobo f of x plus h plus h minus ya to e dia ase, that means eta h add hobo. So f of x plus h, right? So this is equal to f of x plus twice h minus f of x plus h. And etia ami palu that this is our right hand side and left hand side to same value asile. So therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay, so ami ki likhibo paru that delta aru e is equal to e delta. That's the property. The hiote interchangeable hoy. Now we will go for some exercise. The prothom exercise to ami korim je delta keneke calculate koribo pari. So delta differencing table boli ekhon calculate koribo pari. So differencing table keneke calculate kore etu ami etia sam. So let's go with exercise number 1. So exercise number 1 ot ami ki korim je suppose dia ase, let us suppose x or value dia ase 0 1 2 3 and 4 and tar corresponding f of x or value dias, right? And those values are 3 12 81 200 and 100. These are the values of x or value 0 for 4 leke f of x or value 3 12 81 200 and 100 dia ase, right? And our function to form to dia na yate calculus of finite difference or rule to এইটোৱে হ'ল যে ইয়াত functions of form দিয়া নাথাকে ইয়াত দিয়া থাকে যে how the different values are changing with change in the independent value. So এতিয়া আমি কি কৰিব লাগে যে আমি ইয়াত find out কৰিব লাগে যে delta to the power 4 কি হয়. So what is the fourth order difference of fx, right? fx of fourth order difference কি হয় হেতু আমি calculate কৰি দিব লাগে, right? So a calculation of fourth order, second order বা first order, he first order উলালে খুবে সহজ just minus কৰি দিলে হ'ল. Second order দিলে আমি চাব লাগিব যে কেনেকে কৰে and every time আমি formula use কৰি থাকাতকে যে আমি delta to the power 4 fx মানে কি হয় গুটেখিনি লিখি ইয়াৰ পৰা ক্যালকুলেট কৰাতকে আমি কি কৰো যে আমি এখন টেবল বনাও এখন ডিফাৰেন্সিং টেবল বুলি কয় and let us see how we can make that table. So remember these values, you can screenshot it and here values খিনি ওপৰত আমি এতিয়া এখন টেবল পাওঁ. Difference table বনাবলে হলে আমাক এই following columns কেইটা বনাব লাগিব. তো first column তোমাৰ x থাকিব, next column তোমাৰ fx থাকিব, next তোমাৰ first order difference delta fx, next তোমাৰ second order difference delta square fx, then delta cube fx, and last is delta to the power 4 fx. ঠিক আছে? So x or value আমাক দিয়া আছে যে 0 1 2 3 and 4 and fx or value dia is 3 12 81 200 and 100, right? Egita dia fx or value. The first order difference ulwa khube sahoj, just you have to minus them. The conjugative tar milako minus to difference to ami tar major likhim. So 12 minus 3 is 9. So that is the first order difference of 0. Okay, 81 minus 12 tar value to jiman hobo that will the first order difference of 1. Now 81 minus 12 is 69. Similarly 200 minus 81 will give you 119, right? So basically ami hetu hoday tar majot likhibo lage. So this is 119 and 100 minus 200 is negative 100 tar majot likhisu, right? So these are the values of first order difference. So 0 first x0 first order difference 9, 1 of first order difference 69, 2 first order 11 and 19 and 3 first order minus 11. It a 4 or first order difference exists no kore because 4 or karne tar next term amar ya data available nai. So jetia data available na thake tetia ami tar difference ulabo noaru. So that's why last term to karne tomar difference first order difference ami calculate koribo noar. So if first order difference bilakor majot jodi difference ulao that will give us our second order difference. So 69 minus 9 will give you 60 and ami hoday porakhot tak majot likho the middle point. So 69 minus 9 60, 119 minus 69 will give you 50 and minus 100 minus 119 will give you minus 219, right? So 219 minus negative term hobo pore delta. So minus 219 is the second order difference of curve. So enake go enake. So the sequence is this. So it is 60 is the second order difference of x0, 50 is the second order difference of x1, and your minus 219 is the second order difference of x2. So it is 8 to 50 minus 60 will minus 10 and minus 219 minus 50. So it is minus 269. So a2 card third order difference over this minus 10 is the third order difference of first term, minus 269 is the third order difference of the first term. And it is yohoto major jodi ma difference hola minus 269 minus of plus 60 is your minus 259. Right? So that's the fourth order difference. Interesting. Now this is the fourth order difference of the first term. Right? So yet as difference the order of the difference into first order then second order, then third order, then last fourth order. So by the time I the fourth order reach korilo, fourth order ki bola ami eta matra etai term paisu, right? So that means fourth order pisot ami jabo noaru. We cannot exceed the order 4. Heitu bostu ite number of terms oporot depend kore. So yate ami keita value paisilo, we got 5 different values, right? And pasta value asile karone ami fourth order difference leke jabo parisu. Jodi suppose ketiaba tumar tinta observation asile, je suppose tumar a fourth order a value to dia nasile, right? So tetia ami ki koribo paro je tetia ami a term to calculate koribo naru, a term to nathakile ten, a term to nathaka mane a term to exist nokorile ten, right? A term to exist nokora mane a term to exist nokorile ten, and jodi a term to exist nokore tetia ami a to term calculate koribo noaru. So tetia amar delta cube fx ote calculation kini hek hoi gole. So that means to be kiman order like a difference calculate koribo pariba, that depends upon how many numbers you have. So tumar jodi n ta numbers diya thake, you can only calculate n minus 1 at order difference. Right? So amar yate sarita observation asile, so 4 minus 1 equal to third order leke ami jabo parisu. Tumar pasta observation asile first stage of, so pasta pora ekane fourth order difference leke ami calculate koribo parisilu. So that means the order of difference depends upon how many number of observations you have in your head. Okay, so ami ki kobo paru je delta aru hodai the highest order difference tumi prothom term tur karone he calculate koribo pariba. So tumi a example to deswa the a example to jodi moi sao tumar a2 car asile a2 year asile je f0 value first order difference is 9, and thik terana f1 or value first order difference is 69, and last of tumar ki hoise the f2 first order difference is, that means tumi jodi delta f of 0 likha tetia that is 9, delta f of 1 jodi likha that is 69, and delta f of 2 jodi likha that is 119. Delta f of 3 does not exist. He exists nokore. So table khonor pora ami value bo jodi interpret koribo loga hoy je ki value ki hor kenake ami tak interpret korim. So that's the interpretation, right? Say tumi values kisuman dia ase tar fx or value dia ase. So I mean delta, that means every order difference calculate kori go asu every stage of, and first stage of a column to pora ami a khini interpret koribo paru. That this is the interpretation from the first column year logot related. Okay, so etia jodi ami second column interpret koribo loga hoy titia hole ami interpretation to enko dhoroner hobo je tumar delta square f of 0 is 60, right? Delta square f of 1 is 50, 119 minus 69. So that's the value. It's a delta square f of 2 f of 2 karone a2 jodi goisu greater than exist nokore, right? Does not exist. Similarly delta square f of 3 does not exist, right? So this is the interpretation the এইটো হল তোমাৰ a column টোৰ পৰা interpretation কৰিব পৰা হ'ব right so a column টোৰ পৰা আমি এইটো interpret কৰিব পাৰিলো যে delta square ৰ value কি হয় for different terms আমি উলাব পাৰিলো similarly last stage ত আমি কি কৰিব পাৰো যে delta cube third order difference ৰ কাৰণে কি ধৰণৰ interpret কৰিব পাৰো যে delta cube f of 0 is minus 10 হেটো ইন্টারপ্রেট কৰিব পাৰো তাত বাহিৰে একো কৰিব নোৱাৰি that is highest order difference to highest possible order difference হেটো হদায় first term টোৰ কাৰণে আমি ক্যালকুলেট কৰিব পাৰো যে আমি গ্ৰেজুৱেলি যদি সিকোয়েন্স টো এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ যে হি তাৰ ফাংশন ভ্যালু ফার্স্ট অর্ডার সেকেন্ড অর্ডার থার্ড অর্ডার so function value first order second order third order exist নকৰে function value first order second order exist নকৰে function value first order exist নকৰে so যে মানে তুমি terms বোৰ gradually বাঢ়ি গৈ থাকিব first second third তাৰ highest possible degrees or order of difference কমি গৈ থাকিব right so that's our first example কেনেকে delta calculate কৰে Next, we will do a numerical on your delta operator. So, exercise 2. And exercise 2 says that find delta of twice x by twice x plus 1. So, ইয়াৰ value to ওলাব লাগে আমি so let fx is twice x by twice x plus 1 যে এই যাৰ ডেল্টা ওলাব দিছে এটোক আমি fx বুলি ধৰি ললো right so fx বুলি ধৰি ললে now delta fx is f of x plus h minus f of x right that h is the interval of difference right or interval of difference আৰু ইয়াতে কৈ দিয়া আছে যে interval equation to দিয়া আছে যে interval is unity right that means ek ke interval to bari go ase that means h is in simple word dia ase the given h is equal to 1 h equal to 1 dia ase so h equal to 1 bohale that ki hobo f of x plus 1 minus f of x right eta ei function to form to just bohabo lage jodi fx equal to twice x by twice x plus 1 hoy tetele f of x plus 1 ki hobo x or thait ami x plus 1 boha so that is equal to your 2 times of x plus 1 2 times of x plus 1 plus 1 minus fx of value that is twice x plus 1 okay so এতিয়া আমি এটো simplify কৰিব লাগে we will have to simplify this so this is nothing but twice x plus 2 divided by twice x plus 2 plus 1 minus twice x plus 1 okay so this is twice x plus 2 twice x plus 3 minus twice x plus 1 and if you solve this and I suggest তোমালকে নিজে এটো simplify কৰিবলে চেষ্টা কৰা this will give you twice x plus 1 twice x plus 3 কি দিব যে twice x plus 2 twice x plus 1 minus ইয়াত আছে twice x in twice x plus 3. Okay. So this is equal to twice x plus 1, twice x plus 3, and upor thakibo tomar multiply kora twice x is 4x square plus your 2 times of x plus 4 times of x plus 2 minus 4x square minus 6 times of x. Okay. That is equal to twice x plus 1, twice x plus 3, and 4x cancel out hobo. Then 2 times of x, 4 times of x is 6 times of x, minus 6 times of x cancel out hobo. So only term left is 2. So it means 2 divided by twice x plus 1 and twice x plus 3 is the value of delta fx. And the last exercise of today is we have to evaluate exercise 3. Evaluate delta square log of x. So delta square, second order difference of the function log of x, right? The solution will be delta square log of x can be written as delta into delta log of x, right? Which is equal to delta. Delta log of x means delta f of x. Log of x to come to the f of x boli doru. That will be f of x plus h minus f of x. So log of x plus h minus log of x. Okay. So this can be written as delta, log a minus log b can be written as log a by b. So minus sign thakile tato divide hisabe likhibo pari or vice versa, enaka divide thakile minus hisabe likhibo pari. So eta ami eituk likhibo paru, that is log of x plus h by x. Right? আমি এইটো লিখিব পাৰো। এতিয়া এইটো সেম ফাংশনটো এটা চেঞ্জ হৈ গল যে এতিয়া ডেল্টা লগ অফ এইখিনিক আমি fx বুলি ধৰি লম। লগ অফ দিস x plus h by x এইটোক আমি fx বুলি ধৰি লম। সো ই কি দিব log of f of x plus h হ'ব, ৰাইট? সো এই টার্মটোৰ লগত আমি h এটা এড কৰি দিম। So that is log of x plus h by x plus h. It's better that আমি দুইটাৰে লগত এড কৰি দিম। মাইনাস কি হ'ব log of f of x plus h by h. Right? So again log of something minus log of something paisu. So we can again write log of uporot ki thakibo first term, that is x plus twice h by x plus h, and tolot ki thakibo x plus h by x. Right? So if you simplify this, তুমি এই সিম্পলিফাই কৰিলে এটো পাবা যে log of your x plus h whole square, a x plus h to তললে আহি যাব and এইটো ৰিভাৰ্স ওপৰলে গুচি যাব। so h x plus twice h and এইটোটা x plus h whole square, right? So delta square log of x is equal to log of x plus twice h divided by log of x plus h whole square, right? This is the answer of your third example. Now I am giving you some assignments to work on. তোমালোকে এগুলা নিজে ট্রাই কৰিবা and next class আমি ইয়াৰ সলিউশন কিটা ডিসকাস কৰিম. The first one is find delta square e to the power x by delta e to the power x whole square. Okay. Then next is your delta square x plus 2 by x plus 1, and here diya ase the h equal to 1. That means interval of differentiating is 1. And next one is, last one is your number 3 is delta square 3 e to the power x. Okay, so this is your assignment for today's class. I hope you will go through it. তোমাকে solve করবে and solve কৰি উঠি আমি next classত ইয়াৰ solution to কি হয় discuss কৰিম, and is better তোমালোকে ইয়াৰ class to আগতে যাতে solve কৰা. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next class.